Hey guys, for Monday's assignment, in the section 2 review, number 2 asks you to do a chart. So I wanted to go over this chart, how you could recreate it in your response sheet. The question asks you to complete the process chart to explain the 3 stages of the cell cycle, include 4 phases of mitosis. So this question is referring to page 79, where the cell cycle is listed with all of its stages and phases. So the cell cycle has 3 stages. Interphase is the first stage, mitosis is the second stage, and the last stage is cytokinesis. Stage 2, mitosis, is broken up into 4 phases. Phase 1, prophase. Phase 2, metaphase. Phase 3, anaphase. Phase 4, telophase. So, cell cycle itself has 3 stages, and the second stage, mitosis, has 4 phases. So question 2 for the diagram asks you to list out the 3 stages, including the 4 phases of mitosis. So stage 1 would go here, interphase, and you would give a little brief sentence of what happens in interphase. Mitosis is stage 2, phase 1 here, phase 2 here, phase 3, phase 4, and then the last slot would be for cytokinesis, the last stage of the cell cycle. And so when you go to do this question in your response sheet, you could, instead of creating a chart, you could just list out the stages. You could say interphase and then write down chromosomes. Chromosomes are copied. Each, let's see. I'm going to pull this straight from the book. So each chromosome is then made of 2 chromatids. So each chromosome is then and then from there I could go insert special characters, arrow, enter, and then start writing down mitosis, phase 1, prophase, and then I'm going to start typing what happens in mitosis phase 1, and then do another arrow for the next one, mitosis phase 2, and so on. So this is one way you could do it. You could just write out the stages and the phases of mitosis, and then just use arrows to lead into the next stage. So you could do it this way. There are other options for how you could do this question. So you could, instead of writing them out like this, you could, my computer allows me to take a screenshot and annotate the screenshot. So your computer should have some sort of option like that where you can take a screenshot and then edit the screenshot. So for me, here's my screenshot, and I can click this button to mark up the screenshot, and then click this one to include a text box in the screenshot. And then I could use that text box to fill in each stage. So I could go interphase and then write chromosomes are copied. Each chromosome is then made of 2 chromatids. And then from there, I could insert that image into my document. So go to number 2, click Insert Image, Upload from Computer, find the screenshot, and click Choose, and then just adjust its size. And then maybe I'll write a heading. I'll write the stages of the cell cycle, including the 4 phases of mitosis, like that. That's another option for how to answer this question. If you have another way that you think works, I'm pretty sure that you could build this chart from scratch, for example. That's another way that, you know, maybe you want to do it. You're welcome to do it a different way if you think your way is better or more efficient or more effective, or you just want to do it another way. That's totally fine. But these are just some of the ways that you could answer this question. This question is required, so please don't skip it. Find a way to recreate that chart whichever way you want to. And good luck on this assignment. Let me know if you have any further questions about it, and I will see you in the next video.